this next topic, if you're interested in a Starlink, now Tesla has slashed the price of Starlink standard kits by 40%. It's a 40% discount down to a lower price. Let's take a look at it. But if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about deals. So let's get into it. Shout out to SC Robinson. They posted this. All Starlink standard kits are $299 a month until October 5th. This is from an original price of $499, which results in a 40% discount. And leave it to me. I think I'm just curious on Starlinks because everybody seems to, or a lot of people seem to have one. And I like how you can see all these different plans with it. You can do a residential plan and you can do a roam plan. And it does get pretty expensive, I guess, compared to like a normal internet provider at your house. I mean, $120 a month, that seems to be pretty expensive. But I do like how you can get the roam plan, which the roam plan, the mini roam plan, you can get for $50 a month. So maybe this could be in a scenario where maybe you buy the equipment when it goes on sale, maybe even a further sale, and you buy the plan that you can use on a pay-as-you-go type of process when you need it at certain points when you're going like traveling or anything like that. So it could make a lot of sense to do this. And so certainly I'm going to be waiting out for deals. And so let us know, is this a good deal right now at $299 or are you waiting for a better deal on the Starlink satellite? But if you've got one, let us know your experience. Do you like it? And do you use some of these plans? And is it easy to kind of sign up as you need to go and cancel when you don't need it at the end of the day? But definitely some pretty interesting stuff.